Welcome back! It's finally time to jump into the decentralized landscape. The first thing I'm going to cover is how to create a wallet. There are 3 modern wallet options out there right now: hardware, software, and browser-based. I'll briefly go over each one, but only walk you through how to create the browser-based wallet within this course. This wallet will essentially be your tool to interact with the blockchain. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private key. They are considered to be the safest way to store your crypto and used for long-term investments. The most popular hardware wallet is the Ledger wallet. Just make sure to use my affiliate link in the video description below, which will direct you to their official website. Don't search it on Google or purchase anything on Amazon. You don't want to run into any phishing links. If you feel more comfortable setting it up with my live assistance, that's something I've done in the past for my students and have no problem doing for you. Better to be safe than sorry. Don't forget, only plug these USB wallets into your dedicated crypto computer, nowhere else. While hardware wallets are secure, you still need to download their designated software from their official website to send crypto out of it. Which brings me to software wallets. Software wallets may be downloaded to your crypto computer and used to store, send, or receive crypto. Here's a couple safe software wallets you may download and use on your dedicated crypto computer. I personally do not use them because I prefer to use a browser-based wallet called MetaMask. MetaMask has been the leading browser-based wallet for years now and is capable of utilizing all blockchain networks in the DeFi space. That being said, let me show you how to create a decentralized wallet using MetaMask. First things first, make sure you're on your crypto computer on a safe and private internet connection. Download and install the Brave internet browser. This browser is much safer and private than any other browser right now. It caters perfectly to crypto DeFi users. Once you have it installed, you may uninstall all other internet browsers like Chrome or Edge. Now visit this exact website in your Brave browser. Click Download on the top right. Click Install MetaMask for Chrome. Then click Add to Brave. Once it installs, it will take you to this page where you may create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Go ahead and select Create a new wallet, then I agree. Now create a password for this wallet and write it down on a piece of paper. Safely store that piece of paper in a location only you know. Please pause this course and watch this quick video and read the following security information about the security of your wallet. Follow the steps that precede, then you may come back to this course. Just to clarify, your secret recovery phrase is not solely linked to your MetaMask wallet. You may recover your crypto wallet using any decentralized wallet software I explained earlier, as long as you have your 12 words. MetaMask is just the tool you need to interact with decentralized apps. Okay, now that you are all set up, let's pin the MetaMask extension to your browser so you may use it at ease. Click the puzzle piece, then the pin. You may exit this MetaMask screen as you won't need it for anything. Let's instead go to this exact website so I can show you how to make your first trade on a decentralized exchange. Make sure you are on the official Uniswap website before proceeding with this course, or else you've already made your first mistake in the DeFi world. There are millions of phishing websites out there hoping that you mistype your website and land on theirs instead. Before we make any moves on this website, let me go over the user interface on your new MetaMask plugin. Click on the Fox icon here to open the wallet. At the very top, we have the account you created, which has your assigned public wallet address right below it. It has the Copy Clipboard button conveniently there for you to copy and paste it. This is actually how I withdrew Ethereum earlier from Coinbase. I copied this wallet address and then pasted it into the receiver field. As you can see, I have those funds in here now. Wallet addresses are rather long, so usually they will only show the first and last few characters. This is actually perfectly set up, so you may double check that you pasted in your wallet address properly before hitting the send button. If you ever send crypto to the wrong wallet address, it's irreversible and you can consider those coins lost for good. If I ever wanted to send this Ethereum back to my Coinbase wallet, I would click this send button. Sending and withdrawing is actually the same exact action. Some wallets just have different names for it. In this field, I'm going to paste in my deposit wallet address from my Coinbase Ethereum wallet. Then, I need to specify the amount I want to send. Now I can click Next, which will show me the gas it will cost me to send that. Gas is the network fee that the blockchain charges us to function. These fees are distributed to the individuals who are staking or mining crypto. The gas fee is calculated by the congestion of the network during your attempted transaction. You may reject it and try again later if the gas price is too expensive at that time. The most important fact about gas is that it's paid using the native token for that blockchain. In this case, it's Ethereum. So I must have at least this much Ethereum in my wallet to complete this transaction. If you don't have enough gas, MetaMask won't let you confirm the transaction. Once I click confirm, all I need to do now is wait for my transaction to process on the blockchain. Let me show you what that looks like on the public ledger. My transaction is now listed under my activity. If I click it, it will then give me a link to view it on the Block Explorer. This website reveals the Ethereum public ledger. That means even you can see this transaction if you wanted to. You can see the amount I transferred came from my MetaMask wallet and has arrived in my Coinbase wallet. If I click my wallet address, it will actually even show me all the assets my wallet holds. Down below is the history of all my previous transactions. Many other blockchains use very similar block explorers. If I select this multi-chain portfolio button, it will show me all the assets I have in this wallet throughout all the other networks. The main reason to use these blockchains is actually to save on transaction fees. As you saw moments ago, I paid $7 to send $25. That is not feasible. Ethereum is continuously trying to scale to reduce those gas fees, but other chains have emerged in an attempt to remedy that significant issue. Just like how Ethereum solves problems for Bitcoin, these other chains solve problems for Ethereum. Just remember, if I want to use the Polygon chain, I must have Polygon in my wallet to use for gas fees. Before we head back to Uniswap, I want to show you how to bridge crypto from one network to the other. I definitely will not be swapping coins on the Ethereum network because it will cost me a fortune. The first step of bridging a token to another network is actually having it in your Ethereum network. So I'm going to buy some Polygon on Coinbase and send it to my MetaMask wallet. Here's something very important you will want to double check before sending your crypto from Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet. Is this token even on the Ethereum network? To do that, you may go to coinmarketcap.com and click on the token. On this page, under the contract's information, you can see that Polygon is in fact on the Ethereum blockchain. It's also on the Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Polygon. The safest way to bridge crypto is to use the bridge recommended by that network's official website. In this case, it's this website here. Bridges are decentralized apps, so we must connect our wallet to this website in order to use it. There's usually a Connect Wallet button on the top right of the page. When I click it, MetaMask will immediately pop up asking which account I want to connect to this website. It will then warn me what privileges I'm giving this website to my wallet. This website is safe, so I can click Connect. Now the website will be able to read my wallet balance and allow me to bridge from the Ethereum to the Polygon network. You'll always want to send as much as possible in one transaction to save on gas fees, but I always encourage testing decentralized apps with small amounts first. So let's proceed to bridge all the MATIC I have in my wallet to the Polygon chain. Whenever you interact with a decentralized app, it will first ask you to approve the spending of that particular token. Unfortunately, you must pay gas for that approval. Once the Polygon portal is granted the privilege to spend your MATIC, I may proceed to the final step. Sometimes you need to refresh the page so that the website can realize the approved token. Once you click Bridge, this is the final gas fee you must pay. So this is the last time I will be interacting with the Ethereum blockchain. Bridging can take up to an hour, and your pending transaction will be shown here on the right panel. Alright, now that I've bridged my tokens, how do I use the Polygon network? Click on the MetaMask icon on the top right, then click on the network drop-down menu here, then click Add Network. This will take you to a list of networks to connect to. Let's add Polygon mainnet. After I approve to add the network to my wallet, now I can switch to it using the same network drop-down menu. As you can see, now MATIC is the native token for gas. Now we can finally head back to Uniswap to make some trades. First things first, we need to connect our wallet to this website. Once connected, Uniswap will switch to the Polygon network. Using Uniswap is quite simple actually. All you need to do is select the two tokens you want to swap. What happens behind the scenes is much more complicated. It works nothing like Coinbase. I'm going to swap my MATIC for some Ethereum. If you see a W in front of a coin's regular ticker, it just means it's in a wrapped state. Some tokens need to be wrapped in order to even function on other blockchains. Ethereum will still be almost exactly the same price as it is on the Ethereum network, thanks to arbitrageurs. You can see the estimated amount of Ethereum I will receive after the swap is completed right here. Like always, we first need to approve this website to use the token I'm trying to swap. Once it's approved, I may swap it. But before that, I want to show you how the order gets routed. The token actually interacts with a Uniswap pool. This is where other people have staked both of these tokens in order for us to be able to swap them. Because of that, they are paid a small fee. So every time someone swaps between these two tokens, those poolers make passive income. I will show you how to pool your crypto in a later lesson so that you can make passive income. One of the main reasons to use a decentralized exchange is so that you may obtain a token that is not listed on your local exchange. You'll see what I mean when I get into meme coins. Now I'll click Swap to initialize the trade. Once completed, just like previously, we will check out the transaction. But notice this time, it took us to Polyscan, which is Polygon's public ledger. We can now see my updated Ethereum balance here. Alright, that's it for this lesson. I know this is exciting stuff, but before you get into a rabbit hole of decentralized apps, you'll want to pay close attention to the next lesson. See you there.